High above the town of Nuremberg stands a castle that has watched centuries pass, quietly holding the stories of emperors, power, and time. The Nuremberg Castle, or Kaiserburg Nürnberg, has a long and important history, closely tied to the Holy Roman Empire. There is the castle. In the 20th century, Nuremberg faced one of its darkest chapters. During the World War II, much of the city, including large parts of the castle, was destroyed by air raids. These ancient walls, which has survived centuries of conflict, could not escape modern warfare. Date back to around the 11th century when it was first built as a defensive stronghold on a sandstone hill overlooking the city. During the Middle Ages, Nuremberg became a key city in the Holy Roman Empire. The castle served as an imperial residence where German kings and emperors stayed while traveling across the empire. In 1356, the Emperor Charles IV issued the Golden Bull, a crucial law that made Nuremberg the palace where newly elected kings were required to hold their first imperial assembly. This firmly established the castle's political importance. The castle was designed not just as a residence but as a symbol of power and protection. Its thick walls, towers, and deep well helped defend the city and demonstrate imperial authority. Below the castle, the city Nuremberg flourished as a center of trade, craftsmanship, and culture, protected by the fortress above. Over the centuries, the castle witnessed wars, political changes, and decline. During the World War II, it was heavily damaged by air raids. However, after the war, Nuremberg Castle was carefully restored, preserving its medieval character while acknowledging its complex history. Wow, here we can see the view of Nuremberg.
Leute, hier. Leute, wollt ihr Überraschung haben? Leute, hier. Stell dir vor, du läufst da unten. Dann hau ich ihm eine auf die Füße.
Wow. After the war, the Nuremberg Castle was carefully restored, not rebuilt to look new, but repaired to preserve its history. Today, the castle stands as both a monument and a memory, a reminder of endurance, of survivals, of time passing and being resisted. And a height. Wow. Hier. From here, you can see the city below, modern, moving, alive. Cars pass, people walk, life continues. But above it all, the castle remains, no longer guarding an empire, but protecting the stories of the past. Walking through Nuremberg Castle feels like stepping back in time and then returning gently to the present. As centuries passed, the castle's political importance slowly faded. Power shifted, empires changed. The castle remained, but no longer at the center of decision making, and yet it continued to stand above the city, watching history unfold below. Today, Nuremberg Castle stands as a symbol of endurance and history, a place that has survived centuries of changes. Walking through its courtyards and towers feels like stepping back in time, where stone's wall still echoes the stories of emperors, knights, and a powerful medieval city. Thank you for exploring Nuremberg Castle with me. If you enjoyed this journey through history, feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more stories and places like this.